All right, guys, we're back at it again. We're attacking the top of the top ball, this time with a 25-degree cut. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right, guys, we're going into the top part of the 5. So if you take the tangent, it goes into the top of the 5 ball. I like to use the center ball hit here. Now, if I want a similar result to what I've been having with the 1 through the 3, I'll hit this with a softer stroke because I wouldn't want the rack to open up as much. I'm going to go ahead and hit one more with the full stroke and see how the layout is after and decide whether I should take a little off or maintain the full stroke on this shot. So this is center ball, full stroke.
All right, guys, again, we have the slow motion so we can see exactly how the rack opens up. And really, this blossoms nicely. We have a lot of opportunities here. I do end up getting a little funny later on in the rack, but let's see how I attack the beginning of the rack here.
I've got the 6 in the side as my only real opportunity. I have the 8 ball as a possible break shot. I'm going to come down towards the 7. I should have the 3 ball or the 13. Okay, you got the 3 ball. Play position for the 9. The 7 doesn't really attack the stack that well. The 2 has some promise to it. The 3 ball also has some promise. The 7 ball from the other side is good. All right, so let's play the 9. Play position on the 13. Okay, guys, I'm going to draw off this. I'm thinking that I might develop the 14 ball. So the 14 ball should hit the 5 and come this way a little bit. So I think I might develop a good break shot. That's why I'm going ahead with this. And I'll have the 13 as insurance. So it's pure draw, softly. Okay, well, at least I developed the 10 ball. So I do have a break shot. I can use the 1 ball to get on the 15. So we have options here. Around for the 1. I'm going to splash the pot one more time, try to eliminate that 11-14 issue. Okay, that was a little lame in my decision making there. Should have played for some position. I thought I'd have the 2. Didn't think about being jacked up. Let's go ahead and pocket it. I could play the 14, but it doesn't really lead to anything. So I'm going to play the 8 instead to the 14. I want a thick ring on the 14. Okay, now although I hit the balls unintentionally, I'm actually pretty good here. So I'm not really that upset that I accidentally bumped the ball. I can play the 10, the 14, the 15, and then I have the 5 or the 11 as break shots. So kind of a good reward for my little lack of draw. My last ball. I'm thinking the 11 ball's a little better break shot, so I'm going to try to stay that side of the 5 ball. Okay, now I want to be basically around the middle of the table here for this 11. Pretty good position.
All right, guys. Not a clean out, really, this rack, but it was successful out in any case. I got good on the break shot, which is obviously the end goal. Had a nice opening layout and just got a little funny near the end of the rack and had to come with a couple good shots and get a couple rolls to get out. It happens sometimes in straight pull, and it happened this time for me, so I was able to continue to run. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you at the next angle.